Hi everybody, Mark, General Woodturner here. Well, it's been a while since I've done a video. It's been a while since I did a live as well. Somebody asked me the other day, now that I'm settled into the workshop, would I do a quick video of the workshop tour, quick look at the pop-up shop, and see how everything looks that I've got set up here now in beautiful Westward Ho. So I thought today, that's what I'll do. Quick video shop tour and let you see what's going on. So this is the main entrance. A nice big 10-foot roller shutter door. I've got it shut at the moment because traffic, people walking past. And so as you come in through the door, on your left, we've got the shop. So I've got the remaining stock of my clean spore abrasives. Some of the products that I take to demonstrations. I've got my Hampshire sheen display, because I'm a distributor for Hampshire sheen as well. Anything you need for Hampshire sheen I can get for you. And we've got vase, some pepper mills, lamps, various pieces that I've turned, vases, forms, large platters. These are all 19 and 20 inch platters made of ash, fruit, bowls, more bowls, lots of bowls. Coming round, more bowls, boxes, hollow forms, goblets, vases. Bottle openers. This is a beautiful piece of elm burr that was given to me by Wayne. Turned it, a few pieces fell off, a few pieces flew off, and just waiting to finish the bottom on that one. Nice elm dish, some ash bowls, the sycamore wobble pots that I did on a recent live, the plant pots. These are all spalted sycamore. Chestnut vase down there, spalted beech at the bottom. So that's the shop. People can walk in off the street and buy anything that they like in there. Coming around from the shop vac, which is connected to the bandsaw. And then we've got the yellow fireproof cabinet. I store all my finishes, oils, adhesives in there. Photo box in the back. Nice Evolution chop saw. Good piece of kit that. IPC container that's got all my scrap offcuts. And then my DeWalt stack system for taking to my demonstrations. I fill that with all my tools and materials. These two shelves are my sort of throw everything on shelves. Work in progress, pieces I've got on the go, scrap wood, demo pieces, demo ideas. And then we come round to the wood pile. So, two nice big planks of walnut I've got there, and the rest is all various timbers. Probably about 95% domestic timber, oak, ash, beech, sycamore. There's the beech tree that I cut down recently. That's all waiting to be processed into bowls and hollow forms. And a bit of a junk corner in there. I will show you just a quick look at the kitchen. So Microwave, the all important kettle. Coffee is a total must. Where I store my cameras. There's the dust extractor in the corner. My board for the weekly jobs. And behind the curtain there is the toilet. So coming further round, we've got a lovely old pillar drill. Do a lot of work with that. Storage under the main bench. 2 storage containers. My compressor. Various extension cords. Drill box for the old Makita. We've got an old pillar drill there. And coming up for the sink. I don't use the sink as a sink. It's more of a dumping ground. Peter Child's pyrography system. All my chucks. Door rests. Visors. Air systems. On the wall. Guillotine. A diary. My radio. Vacuum chucks. Vacuum system. And all the various tools. And then we've got the sharpening system. CPN wheel with a KS Dresselpadov Kaschultz DML 200N. It's a 180 quid wheel on that side and an 80 quid wheel on that side with Tormek bar, jig, gauge. There in the back is all my burrs for the piercing. Now coming over here, I've got my tool chest. This is where pretty much all my tools are stored. So the top drawer is drives and lives, and all my skews, Jacob's chuck. Second drawer is bowl gouges, a couple of scrapers. And we've got spindle gouges, hollowing tools, spindle roughing gouges, parting tools, more hollowing, spindle tools, files, and I've got some electrical, the larger items, drills, part of the Simon Oak hollowing rig, Paul Howard indexing jig, and then in the bottom we've got the Axminster White flexi drive, my Dremel, my heat gun, the Proxon, some more bits and pieces for the vacuum chuck, my Simon Oak threading jig, various other bits and pieces. And we've got my abrasive station there, various toolboxes, bits and pieces on the top, another chuck, some stream deck and my monitor, and then we've got the rig that I use for lighting and cameras. So I've got one camera position there, another one there, another one there. I've got another one over the back there on the tripod that I usually have standing here. And I've got my Axminster 508. This is my main lathe. I do all my work on. Turning some fruit and some forms today. Just finished teaching with a student. Turned a lovely bowl. So there's the shavings from today's lesson. Ready to get bagged up. Got the Axminster AT1628 or the 406. That's the second lathe. Spindle steady there. The Simon Oak hollowing rig. And I've also got the bowl saver for the McNaughton system down there. There's the Paul Howard sphere jig. My nice vinyl sign that I take to craft fairs and demonstrations. There's the PC that I use for my broadcasting. The newest lathe in the workshop. My union graduate. I've wanted one of these for years. Perfect for the school. Perfect for teaching on. It's got variable speed. It's been converted. It's got the Mitsubishi variable speed conversion. Forward and reverse. Lovely little lathe. This was put through its paces last Saturday when Colin Way was here doing his skew masterclass. And believe it or not, I'm not the lazy so-and-so people think I am. I actually ride that backwards and forwards to work. And then we've got the small lathe in the background. That's the one I take for demonstrations to craft fairs and shows. But it's also the fourth lathe in the series of lathes for the shop. So as you can see, all lined up for the school. So I can teach 4 people at a time. I could have a maximum of 8, as long as they don't mind sharing lathes. And then we come back. There's some storage up there. And there's my parachute for the ceiling. It just makes it all a little bit cozier. And that's the gazebo for the pop-up shop. So that's it. That's my shop. That's the wood turning centre here on Atlantic Way in Westward Ho. If anybody wants to come and have lessons, book a demonstration, come and visit, buy any of the lovely things that have been made, feel free. I'm open most days 10 till 6. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. Thanks for having a look, and I hope you enjoyed the look around the shop. Take care. Bye bye.